Welcome to this short video on writing a literature review. If you have not yet watched the video getting started with a literature review table matrix, please do so, as it will help you understand how to gather journal articles and organize them using a table matrix. Writing a literature review can be challenging for many students, but having a basic understanding of what it is and how to write one is essential. For a detailed explanation of what a literature review is and step-by-step guidance on how to conduct one, please refer to my video titled Literature Review for Dummies. In this video, you will learn different approaches to writing your literature review after gathering and organizing your articles using a table matrix. As you begin writing, know or be reminded that a strong literature review uses a critical voice and goes beyond describing what sources say by evaluating their strengths, weaknesses, and contributions. It synthesizes multiple studies within clear, well-structured paragraphs to guide readers through the argument. The aim is to synthesize multiple sources in each paragraph instead of giving one paragraph per source. For example, several studies show while others argue. You may structure your review chronologically to trace the historical development of studies or thematically by grouping findings around shared themes, theories, or methodologies. For example, if researching the effects of exercise on weight loss, literature may be organized by intervention, strategies, outcomes, or areas of debate. This approach promotes clarity, coherence, and strong academic flow. To elevate the quality of your review from descriptive to analytical and critical thinking, deepen your analysis by comparing and contrasting perspectives, identifying unresolved debates, and highlighting gaps in the research. Rather than merely summarizing sources, make connections across studies, critique methodologies, and offer thoughtful interpretations. A well-crafted literature review informs readers while serving as a foundation and roadmap for your subsequent research. To write an effective and well-structured review, organize your paper into 3 main sections: introduction, body, and conclusion. Let's take a closer look at each section. Introduction. Define your topic, explain its significance, state your research question, and outline the scope and key themes of the review. Body. Organize the literature by themes, thesis, methodology, or chronology. For each theme, define it, summarize key studies, compare and contrast methods and findings, and identify gaps or disagreements in the literature. Conclusion. Summarize major patterns, highlight remaining gaps, and explain how your study will address these gaps and contribute to the field. Finally, remember to meticulously cite all sources using APA 7th edition to maintain academic integrity. Thank you, and I hope this and the previous videos on literature review help you review sources and write your literature review paper effectively